Friendship is beautiful. Friendship gives support. Friendship gives strength. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about the power of friendship in life. Through their calm conversation, you will learn English, step by step, gently, peacefully. Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
You look thoughtful today.
Yes, I was thinking.
About what?
About friendship, about true friends.
That is a wonderful topic. What does friendship mean to you?
Friendship means having someone who understands you. A friend is someone who listens without judging.
That is beautiful.
A real friend feels like home.
Have friends helped you in difficult times?
Yes, many times.
How?
When I feel sad, my friends stay with me.
Do they solve your problems?
Not always, but they give strength.
Sometimes, just staying is enough.
Yes, their presence feels safe.
Friendship is important for the heart.
Yes, and for the mind.
Talking to a friend reduces stress.
Sharing thoughts makes the mind lighter.
Friendship gives peace.
Friendship feels like calm air.
Do friends help us grow?
Yes, a lot.
How?
They support dreams. They motivate us.
They tell the truth.
Even when it is hard.
Real friends want to see us better and stronger.
Yes, they walk with us.
Is friendship always easy?
No, not always.
Sometimes there are fights.
Sometimes misunderstandings.
But true friendship
Finds a way back.
because real care never ends.
Yes, real friendship stays.
How can we be good friends?
By listening.
By understanding.
By standing together.
In good days.
And bad days.
Friendship is give and take.
Friendship is love, without conditions.
Life feels better with friends.
Yes, less lonely.
More meaningful.
More beautiful.
Friendship is a gift.
A precious gift. This talk made me feel warm.
Me too.
Friendship is powerful.
Friendship is healing.
We must respect it.
We must value it.
And we must be grateful.
Always. Friendship makes life soft. Friendship makes life bright. Through slow conversation, gentle words, and kind thoughts, you learned English, and you learned the true power of friendship.